Crypto volatility is picking up and some traders are letting their nerves show. As a matter of fact, guys, we're sitting here with Ethereum at about $44.56 right now. $4,400 Ethereum, and people are now viewing this as cheap because it's down roughly 10% from its recent high. You take a look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin's sitting at $117,000 and people are saying, oh, this is such a decline, because it was 124,500 2 days ago. Do you understand how quickly sentiment shifts? Do you understand how quickly emotion sets in for people that are trading and buying cryptocurrency? It is the same way that when these prices rebound just slightly and hit these all-time highs once again, that we are going to be on the brink of a major bull market move. And with that, Shiba Inu coin could be seeing some very nice gains ahead, as it is already attempting to break out of its falling wedge. We're going to be discussing it in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, I do want to say we're going to be talking a lot about Shiba Inu coin in this video, but I am also going to mention Token 6900. If you are looking for a meme coin, okay, Token 6900 is just that. It is pure meme. These guys aren't even claiming to be building any utility, roadmap, or whatever. It is a meme coin for meme coin investors ready to make potential large amounts during this FOMO rally. Now, if you are interested in buying Token 6900, you get a link for it down in the description below. You're going to click that. It's going to bring up this website. From there, you're going to connect your wallet. Now, I like to connect via Best Wallet or Wallet Connect. You scan this QR code right here, type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. Current price, it's getting close to launch, guys. Current price is 0.6975 cents. And it's going to be ending at 0.7125. So it is rolling in quickly. If they reach $5 million raised, that's the hard cap. It is going to launch then. So pay attention to those numbers. We'll talk a little bit more about it in a second here. But let's go over what's happening with Shiba Inu coin. It says a falling wedge is broken and big resistance hurdle is next. For this bullish wedge breakout to get active, Shiba Inu coin price has to pay close attention, or to close above the 1311 point per coin mark in green color on the chart above. Surely, Shiba Inu coin has been dancing around that 1300 point per coin level after sliding 5% from 1400 points per coin. It says the lost resistance level is particularly important due to a whopping 536 trillion Shiba Inu coin being held in a range between between this current price and up to 1900 points per coin. Precisely, the seasoned crypto analyst sees 1471 as the lowest target, but will depend much on the holder sentiment around this range. Now, Shiba Inu coin barking towards 1600 or 1100 points per coin. Now, the rest of the article goes on to just talk about the possibility that if the overall market does pull back, Shiba Inu coin could be testing 1100 points per coin as support. If the overall market continues to rise, Shiba Inu coin is going to be testing 1600 points per coin as a level of resistance. Guys, we've got a little bit of a decline happening in the crypto market today, and it's twofold. Right? Number one, yesterday's data, I don't have it up on the screen right now, but yesterday's economic data showed that the producer price index came in higher than expected. A little above 3% inflation for producer prices when it was anticipated to be like 2.5, 2.6, 2.7%, something like that. So slightly higher than expected producer price inflation. And we've got a very important announcement later today. Anytime you've got a major announcement taking place, some cryptocurrency traders shave their positions to alleviate some of the risk. And with this President Trump and Putin meeting happening at 3:30 p.m. Eastern today, this is a very large indicator. This could, signal signs of peace. This could signal signs of economic growth, signal signs of prosperity. It could signal signs of continued uncertainty. So there's a lot of people focused on this meeting later today. How this goes could absolutely affect cryptocurrency prices and whether or not we see Bitcoin bouncing up beautifully or, of course, falling back down to test levels of support. Now, with that, the current Fear and Greed Index is sitting at a level of 59 neutrality, meaning that we are nowhere near overbought. 41 altcoin season means that altcoin season has not even begun yet. This is an indicator, guys, that we have got a lot of room to the upside. We just need a little bit more confidence, and that confidence to turn into greed, and eventually extreme greed, especially if you want to see meme coins move. Because the market is cyclical. Right now, Bitcoin is still dominating. When altcoins reach a level above 50, altcoins are going to begin dominating. And when extreme greed sets in, that's when people buy the riskiest assets like meme coins. And therefore, I am loading up now, before the rest of the market does. It is that simple. Yes, it is a risk, right, guys? I understand that. I'm going to put this lightly. A lot of people online don't understand that. A lot of people, a lot of retail investors don't understand risk to reward ratios, right? If you want very low risk, go out on Coinbase, buy a stable coin, buy USDC, and stake it. You know, you're going to make 4%, 5% annualized interest staking your stable coin. It's not going to fluctuate much more than, a penny. It's not even a fluctuate a penny, like a tenth of a cent. Those cryptocurrencies move. They stay pegged at $1, right? And you can make your 4.5%, 5% interest. If you understand the risk, right, of especially a brand new meme coin that has no price history, then you start to see things, well, shoot, token 6900 might perform very similarly to SPX 6900, which is up 56 million% from its initial price. Guys, I mean, you're not going to go out and invest in the S&P 500 and hit a 56 million% return. Go out and buy $10 worth of something, and if it goes up 56 million%, you're a millionaire. You know what I mean? Like, opportunity like this, it's lottery ticket play. Sure, there's a million cryptocurrencies out there, and one of them can jump up like this. But when you understand that, and you can appropriately position for it, then amazing things can happen. And that is exactly what I'm doing, and exactly one of the reasons I am adding token 6900 to my portfolio. Now, I have bought into this on 3 separate occasions. If you guys are interested in buying in, you got links for everything down in the description below. Make sure to check them all out. Make sure to check out and find out which exchange works best for you as well. I like KSEX here in the United States. A lot of people like KuCoin and so on. Make sure to check out all the links. And I do want to say thank you to everybody using that link for Amazon down in the description as well. You know, I'm absolutely blessed that you guys use that. YouTube has demonetized my channel, so of course I don't make any money off of these videos or anything like that. So anybody that's willing to open Amazon through that link down there, it does generate a very small commission on anything you buy. It doesn't have to be Shiba Inu coin merchandise, doesn't have to be anything like that. It's literally anything that you guys buy. It absolutely helps. So guys, thank you very much for that. Let me know what you guys are buying down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.